In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in a Google Ads campaign. Keywords are crucial for directing the right audience to your ads, and it's essential to ensure they're set up correctly to maximize their impact. Let's dive right in and make the most out of your Google Ads campaign by properly adding keywords. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Ads account interface. Once you're there, go to the ad group sections. This page is where all the magic begins, as each ad group contains the specifics for your ads, including the keywords. Navigate over to the left-hand panel where you'll find different campaign options and settings neatly displayed for you. Look for the ad groups option and give that a click. This will bring you to the heart of your ad campaign management, where you can start organizing and optimizing your efforts. Next, click on the section titled Audiences, Keywords and Content. This tab is designed to help you segment and target your audience more effectively. Within this area, you have the opportunity to fine-tune who sees your ads and how they discover them. It's important to note that understanding your audience and making your keywords relevant to them will increase the chances of clicks and conversions. The keywords section in particular is instrumental to this strategy. Now, when you're ready, select Search Keywords, which is prominently displayed to guide you further along this process. Search keywords are those precise terms that people might use when searching online for products or services like yours. By adding relevant search keywords, you ensure that your ads pop up at just the right time, attracting more targeted and potentially profitable traffic to your site. Once you click on this, a plus icon will appear. This icon is your gateway to adding fresh keywords into the mix. Go ahead and click on it. If you're working on a new ad group, this is where you start building it from the ground up. Alternatively, if you're modifying an existing ad group, this part allows you to incorporate additional keywords seamlessly. Choosing the right mix of keywords is critical. It can directly affect the cost of your campaign and the potential reach. The next step is to select the ad group you want these keywords to be associated with. Be sure to be as specific as possible when choosing your ad group. Your entire advertising strategy operates on the notion of targeting the right segment, not just casting a wide net. Finally, type in the keywords you intend to use. Make sure they are relevant and specific to your target audience's interest and your business's offerings. Remember, effective keywords are those closely aligned with the content your potential customers are searching for. Once you've entered your chosen keywords, click on the Save button. Saving your settings will apply these keywords to the specified ad group, completing the process. Your campaign is now bolstered with keywords that should help drive more traffic and potentially increase conversions. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you're now well equipped to enhance your Google Ads campaign with effective keyword integration. Happy advertising!